Ebyabaho muri Abany'Eishengyero rwabarukurirwe Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwaho biyasha Minisita w'Ebyamagara Honorable Chris bari umunsi okugambira Parliament enchwami ya cabinet ahanshonga z'abashaho aba Intern kandi omukugarukamo Minisita yagira cabinet ecwiremu okushashira aba Intern doctors miliyoni emwe buri kwezi. Omukushoborera kwa Minisita yagira ngo bona barukushashirwa government hamwe n'aba bataraha government bine kuronda sente ezo kuhereza aba doctors abatine emirimo hamwe no kurebeka ngo abashaha bine emirimo nabo baguma emirimo yabo.
I think it was Wednesday, Honorable, when you raised the issue of the interns. Yes, and again I think it came back on Thursday, and I asked the Minister to finalize consultations and come and update us. So I just wanted, as we wait for the Minister for Energy, I want the Minister for Health. No, I just want first the Minister for Health to tell us if he has any update for us on that issue.
And what we did this time around is that we expanded the internship centers by posting specialists to hospitals, including the general district hospitals. And now we have 77 accredited internship centers, and we have deployed all those pre-interns, and we have deployed 2,490 interns. This is the medical doctors, dental surgeons, pharmacists, and graduate nurses.
Nabwanyuma Abany'Eishengyero haba bari mugenesiyo tumuramye Honorable Katsime Adrian hamwe na Hunter basima government ahanchwa mweji bitu bashaba kwefayo kurebeka ngo abashaho bakora.
Government narise munonga okugira ngo yacwa mu kugira ngo eshasho ba interns. First of all, abona bana bashomera obushaho abashomera medical field zone, let's be pharmacy, nursing, kugira ngo yabaha kasharako nakache munonga wamire mu Sente nakache kuanga nchibayambaho umupanisa maju kubona buraro kubona byukuriya kugira ngo umuntu bamba kwememo ya imirimo yo kujanja babantu bitu banya-Uganda.
Nabwo ntwenda konjera kugambira ba doctors kora abe no manyango ori busy omu irware ryawe. Please, at least banzo kori irware ryawe then rya government baraburondo lisho qualified. Ahabo kuba no iko mu irwaro bakugira ngo you're going to wait for 3 hours. Ahabwa professional doctor or yahanda irware rya maybe his personal clinic. So doctor nakushaba nakweshengereza omuntu nabari yo nafa omuntu nabayine emergency konka baza kutegereza.
Kandi Abany'Eishengyero aba bari Honorable Kazora Arthur, Honorable Mar Asensio hamwe na Honorable Joseph Mugenyi nabo bashaba government ho kongera hakasenta kangwa hakuba ebyetago bwa hatibiye yongere.
Konka itu kitwandushaba mwene miliyoni emwe kubara bagihereza ababana ba doctors emyaka ikumenyima onda hatenze kibasa hari inflation age aha rent age aha ntambura ekitwandushaba ekyo baheze kukikiriza it's a milestone ekyo kirugiriyo kandi ntubashaba nabo aba
n'ekiti kijya kunyigiriza nga kandi ko kwekarakasa it's like form of information no wamanyisa abantu ekigenda omisho Intern doctors babekarakase bakushaba kasente kabo kungana bo ntusima kujamba bajya kuzagaruka kandi tumanya umurimo gwa gukora mararo ni mukuru munonga tumanya abashaho twina bashaho ko abana ba intern abakwa baliyo mararo ko kuzama bwiro bw'ino shanga no bakwateninga na munonga habarire bingi so mweno gakayo kwabo n'ikirungi munonga kandi tonka government ni ngaba MPs turane munonga kuramba abana aba intern doctors aba babasa kufuna kasente kaba kwandi kikuru munonga.
Minisita yashaba kuganiraho n'abakwatse biragiro kurebeka ngo ba intern doctors abakwatirwe barekurwa.
In our health facilities, so we shall be presenting that, and also we are discussing the issue of dual employment and moonlighting in the health sector.
Gasha Corona Dingabirano, Ahabwate West.